Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're excited to dive into a product that caught our attention for all the right reasons, the Polyhedral 7-die Opaque Dice Set in striking white with black numbers. We found this set online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, if you're a tabletop gamer, a role-playing enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys games that require dice, you know how important it is to have a reliable and visually appealing set of dice. This polyhedral dice set is not just about aesthetics, it's designed with functionality in mind. One of the standout features of this set is that all the dice read from the top. This thoughtful design means you can quickly and easily comprehend the numbers without having to flip or awkwardly angle the die. In addition, the dice utilize underscoring to differentiate between the numbers 6 and 9. This small yet significant detail helps reduce any potential confusion during gameplay, especially in high-stakes moments when every roll counts. Another notable aspect of this set is the sharp edges of the dice. These edges enhance shape recognition, making it easier to identify which die you have in hand at a glance. This feature is particularly useful when you're in the heat of a game, where quick decisions can change the outcome. Plus, the numbers on each face are as large as possible, ensuring that they are easily readable even from a distance. Who is this set suitable for? If you're a seasoned gamer or just starting your journey into role-playing games, this polyhedral dice set is perfect for you. It's also a great choice for educators who want to incorporate games into their teaching methods, as well as for families who enjoy board games. The clear numbering and easy-to-read format make it accessible for all ages, allowing everyone to join in on the fun. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Whether you're rolling for initiative in Dungeons & Dragons, determining the outcome of an action in Pathfinder, or playing a variety of other tabletop games, these dice will serve you well. They are versatile enough to be used in a range of gaming scenarios, from casual family game nights to intense role-playing sessions with friends. In summary, the polyhedral 7-die Opaque Dice Set in white with black numbers is a fantastic addition to any gamer's toolkit. With its thoughtful design features, ease of use, and broad applicability, it enhances the gaming experience and ensures that you can focus on having fun. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.